Today we're going to look at how to use the one-on-one control panel to create a MySQL database. Each different type of host is going to provide a slightly different way. So if you're on a GoDaddy system or if you're on a system that uses control panel, it's going to look a little bit different than the one-on-one control panel that you might see here. But the process is usually about the same. First thing we need to do is we're going to need to go in and find the icon for creating databases. The one that we're looking for in one-on-one is a MySQL administration. Over here we'll see a list of existing databases. You'll also see how many databases I'm allowed to create. Right now our account allows us 25 and we have 3 in use. We're going to look for the new database button. It's a little bit hidden, so you need to look for it. It's just above where your list of databases are. And here we get to create a new description for a database. We can define which version of MySQL we're using. For most instances, you'll want to choose MySQL 5. And we'll need to give it a good password. Now you'll want to use a strong password so people can't accidentally log into your database incorrectly or on purpose try to hack it. A strong password is going to do things like include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, as well as special symbols. My recommendation is to write this down somewhere separate because you'll need it when we create a connection to the MySQL database later on. We now have a database name, we have the host name, we have the username, and you've already entered in the password. You'll want to have this information available to you. You can go back if needed to get all of this except for the password. Click and go to Overview, and you'll notice here's the new database. Now one thing you also might notice is over here in status it says setup started. On a system such as GoDaddy or one-on-one, they use a separate database server from your local web machine. What this basically means is that it's going to take a little bit of time for the request to get sent over to that machine, have the database created for you. When it is, you'll see a MyPHPAdmin edit and delete button that you can click on to work with the database. But at this time, the database is not created. You have to go back and create it later.